Welcome back to Coles on the Go. Today we're checking out the TownePlace Suites by Marriott in Tecumseh, just outside of Windsor, Ontario. If you're planning a trip to the Windsor area, this one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. We stayed in room 331, a one-bedroom suite with a king bed and a pull-out couch in the living room. It's a great setup for families, giving you that separation between the bedroom and living space that makes a real difference when you're traveling with kids. The kitchen area is a nice bonus too. Perfect for snacks or a quick meal without eating out every night. It generally feels like a home away from home, and the room was spotless from the moment we walked in. Now let's talk amenities. The swimming pool is key, especially if you're traveling with kids. It's a great way to wind down after a day of exploring, and honestly, the kids could spend hours in there. The fitness center has everything you need to get a solid workout while on the road. There's also an on-site laundry room. Massively underrated on longer family trips. And complimentary breakfast is always a win. A free meal before a full day of exploring, will never say no to that. Overall, this property really delivered. Clean throughout, a practical and comfortable suite layout, and the staff were absolutely fantastic and friendly. Welcoming and generally helpful every step of the way. Now for one honest complaint. The radiator, it was loud, and we could not get the temperature to cooperate. It kept swinging between too hot, too cold all night, and we were losing sleep over it. The fix? I eventually just turned it off completely, and honestly that solved everything. So if you're a light sleeper, learn from us and switch it off before bed. One minor issue aside, we're giving the TownePlace Suites a solid 4 out of 5. Great value, fantastic staff, a clean and comfortable setup, and amenities that actually make sense for families. The radiator cost them that 5th star, but everything else, really impressive. If you're heading to the Windsor area, we'd absolutely stay here again and wouldn't hesitate to recommend it. Thanks so much for watching Coles on the Go. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more family travel content. Drop any questions in the comments below. We're happy to help. We'll see you on the next one.